Wanna know how to earn rewards in Snake IO? So if you want more rewards in Snake IO, this video is for you. So earning rewards is super simple. The game gives you plenty if you know where to look. Start with daily logins. You get free rewards just for opening the game. Once your daily rewards has been completed, next complete the missions. Missions are always there. It should be around the top left corner or the right corner of your screen, and they will give you coins, boosts, and sometimes even skins. Don't skip special events. They usually drop big rewards in limited time. And if you opt for it, watch the bonuses ads and just for extra loot. Stack of rewards daily and you'll unlock upgrades and skins way faster than normal. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily earn rewards in Snake IO, like grinding, sometimes just ads and coins, and sometimes just completing missions. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.